If you're setting up your HyperX Cloud 3 on a PC, start by choosing how you want to connect it. The headset supports both a 3.5mm jack and the included USB sound card. For PC use, the USB connection is usually the better option because it provides clearer audio processing and easier microphone control. Simply plug the headset into the USB sound adapter, then connect the adapter to your computer. Once connected, open your Windows sound settings and set HyperX Cloud 3 as both your output device for audio and input device for microphone. This ensures your games, media, and voice chat all route through the headset instead of your speakers. Attach the detachable microphone firmly and position it about 2 to 3 centimeters from your mouth, slightly off to the side, to avoid breathing noise. Use the inline controls to adjust volume and confirm the mic isn't muted. Finally, test playback with a video and check the mic input level in Windows or in-game chat to make sure everything is working correctly.